How do you fix Gears of War E-Day is crashing on Steam? So first you want to go back to your library, right click on the game and open the properties. Now in the launch options you will need to add -dx11, then go to installed files and verify the game files integrities. Once everything is validated, you can close Steam. Then you will need to open up your browser and navigate to this link, which I put below in the video description. And from here, you'll need to install the 86 and the 64. Make sure to download and install both of these. And once you're finished, this will ask you to restart your computer. So make sure to do that. The next thing you'll need to do is open up the NVIDIA app or the AMD software, depending on which GPU you're running on your system. And from here, you'll need to download and install the latest available driver updates. So once you're done, you can close that and go to Steam, right click on it and run it as admin. And then just launch the game from your Steam library. And it should solve the crash problem. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.